Hi there, students. Heartwarming. Okay, heartwarming, an adjective. Heartwarmingly as an adverb. Okay, if something is heartwarming, it warms your heart. It makes you feel good. Yeah, it makes you feel good because something's happened to people. You've seen something that is really nice. It makes you feel happy because it's touching. It shows humanity. Yeah, it makes you feel good to be human. So he told me a heartwarming story about helping people in Africa, and then about the success of this village where he had been working. So if something's heartwarming, it's moving, it makes you feel good. Yeah, it's touching, it's pleasing. It's emotionally moving. It makes you feel good. It's gratifying. Yeah, it's emotionally pleasing. The family reunion was a heartwarming sight. Yeah, it was. It's a heartwarming experience to help people. Okay, so this was heartwarmingly motivating as an adverb. Okay, it's definitely very heartwarming to see all of the work done by volunteers. Okay, this is a very heartwarming thing. Okay, so heartwarming. Yeah, it's cheering. It inspires this feeling of sympathy and goodness. Yeah, it was a real heartwarmer, I guess. So if something's heartwarming, it's emotionally uplifting. It's emotionally rewarding. It stirs you. It makes you feel very good. So this was very heartwarming. Yeah, it made you feel a lot better. So heartwarming. Is it one word or two? Well, they say two words in hyphenated British, one word in American, but I'm not convinced. I think you probably use both. Yeah, a heartwarming feeling. Yeah, oh, it feels so good to see this. Yeah, it was encouraging. It was something that made me feel good. So a heartwarming event or a heartwarming story, something that somebody does is heartwarming. It's something that seems very positive and good, and therefore gives you feelings of pleasure and happiness, because it makes you feel good to be human. It was a heartwarming story of winning against adversity. Yeah, it's really heartwarming to see the children getting on so well. Yeah, so it's emotionally pleasing. It's emotionally gratifying. Yeah, it's very heartening. It's encouraging. It's rather touching. It makes you feel good. So it's a heartwarming experience. Okay, this was a really heartwarming thing to see. If something's heartwarming, it brings up warm feelings of tenderness and sympathy. Yeah, it was a heartwarmingly motivating situation. It made your heart feel warm. Your heart, it talks more about your soul than just, I feel good. Yeah, this is more, it's good to be alive. It's good to be a human, because humans can be good people as well. And that's the idea of something that's heartwarming. Let's see, formality, heartwarmingly. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think use anywhere, use informally, use semi-formally, use formally. And as I said, one word or two, I think I would probably go with something that's hyphenated, a heartwarming experience. Heartwarmingly, probably as an adverb, is one word though. So yeah, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Heartwarmingly.